Hi.
Hello, Rishikesh. So, I just want you to introduce yourself first.
So myself Harishikesh and my parents' name are Sangeeta and Vinay Markod, and I'm from Nayanadli. So now I'm
So, for which exam did you prepare from here?
10th
ICSE?
board exam,
Yeah.
state.
State board. Okay. How long have you been with Bhat and Bhat?
1 year.
1 year. So, for 10th standard, you
Yeah.
joined here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, what can I ask you? Why did you choose Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
Like before 10th, I was feeling difficult in maths and science, so I needed some preparations for it. So I chose button.
Okay. How did you get to know about Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
Like about their teaching quality, and there were more names of button but around here.
I mean, were you recommended by someone or did you do a research? How did you find
I
out?
did a research in Google and all, and I got to know that button but is the best here.
Okay.
So like that I found.
Okay. Then how was your experience here during your preparation for your 10th state
It was
exam?
good. They were giving regular classes, and the teachers were giving guidance for us and all, and it was good. It was nice.
Okay. We have here mock exams, regular mock exams and unit tests that are regularly being given here. So how was it for you?
So it was very helpful for me to prepare for my examination, and it was very helpful.
Okay, like understanding your mistakes
Yeah.
and all that. You could
Yeah, each and
rectify
every
your
test I
mistakes.
can-
Everything. Yeah. Okay, then, ma'am, like when we talk about your child, like did your child receive personal attention here?
Yeah,
Okay. Like in what way? Can you just explain?
maths extra.
Okay, they took extra classes and then cleared all his doubts and other things. Then, how was your child's confidence during the exam?
100%.
Okay. So you have seen the change in your child from 9th and 10th.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's increasing.
Okay. Then, how did Bhat and Bhat help with the exam center guidance?
It was very helpful. Like they were guiding me every time, and the exams they gave, and like the teachers were giving me like important questions, important topics, and all, and they were doing revisions. So it was very helpful.
And how to face your exams?
Yeah, they were guiding everything.
Okay. Then, how was communication with parents?
It was good. I was saying everything
Like the regular updates,
Yeah.
clear guidance, all that. I mean, I think even the coordinators,
Yeah,
everyone.
communicating everything.
Yes, they were communicating everything to you. Okay. Then, how was your overall journey with Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
It was smooth. It was good.
What did you like the most?
Like the class, the friends, the teachers,
Okay.
and the teaching way of the teachers. Everything.
Okay. So you say it is better than the school?
Yeah.
The
kind
coaching
of.
is better than the school?
Yeah.
Because you get individual attention.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the strength is also less here
Okay.
compared to school. So give.
Maths it's less
So we get
you were
personal
in the
attention.
morning.
in the morning.
Okay. And
Near to school.
then how was your teaching style?
It was good. It was better than my school. Like they were giving personal attention and all. And the method of teaching was also different, and it was very easy for me to grab.
Like teachers were repeating the chapters or your doubts whenever needed, and they cater to all your doubts before and during the classes.
They're preparing the model papers. It will help.
It will help. Yes. And ma'am, how did the daily routine help your child here?
Yeah, he's coming around morning. No? It's very helpful.
Okay. Like he had fixed study timings,
Yeah.
all that he could manage, regular practice, and I think probably when your discipline and consistency also improved, right? And how were the doubts handled?
Yeah, it was handled. Like I was asking the doubts very often, and it was handled good. Like they were qualifying my doubt whenever I asked them, and it was good.
Okay. Then, how did the tests help improve your performance?
It was very helpful. Like in some topics, if I made mistakes, the teacher would clarify my doubts,
Before
and the
that,
next time I would,
weekly tests. It will help.
yeah, every week they will give
Like,
the test.
like if you have to compare from your 9th standard and 10th standard,
Yeah.
like how do you put yourself
Yeah, I was
in your
like-
performance, in your academic
It
performance?
was very. I had improved a lot.
Okay.
More effort.
So I think gradual improvement you saw in your 10th grade than what you were in
Ninth,
9th.
yeah.
Then how was the classroom environment?
Yeah, it was very good. Like the strength was less, so we could get attention to every children. So it was good.
I mean, you had a focused learning.
Yeah,
Like whatever the teachers, because the strength is less, you were able to concentrate on what the teacher is teaching, right? And then how was the guidance after exams?
yeah, it was good.
Like you had counseling support,
Huh.
where to join, what to do, and all that. You had all that support from her. And ma'am, what change did you see in your child? Discipline. Okay, and then
Studies also improve.
maturity level.
It's already.
Like, I mean, usually we see once they step into 10th standard, we see how they change, teenagers, right? Then, what do you like the most about Bhat and Bhat Tutorials, to both of you?
The teaching level.
Teaching.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Communication is also nice. They will call us and tell everything.
so you had regular support from everyone in the institute. Then, would you recommend Bhat and Bhat Tutorials to others, and why?
Yeah, I will recommend definitely because the
Have you
teaching
spoken
level.
to any of your juniors?
Not yet, but I will recommend them.
If anybody asks, we'll definitely reply.
Okay. Okay, then any message to parents or students who are preparing for the next board exams?
Like they should have consistency, discipline, and they should practice daily. They should make some timetable, and they should practice daily for at least 3 hours. They should do it throughout the
Self-study
year.
is also important, other than listening
Depending
to the
on
teachers.
yeah.
That builds up confidence. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And all.